Howdy to the Graphite team. My name is Blockchain Oracle. Here's my showcase for the Reputation Hackathon. I couldn't figure out a good name for this, so I call it the Graphite ecosystem. It's something that actually works. What is Graphite ecosystem? Graphite ecosystem is the building the next generation of Web3 identity reliable airdrops. What problem does this solve? I mean, communities do airdrop out there, and how can they make sure that you're giving airdrops to just one person? And how can they make sure that they're giving airdrops? This solves the syllable resistant airdrops attack. Let's get started. First, you have to connect your wallet. You can connect via MetaMask or any Web3 wallet you choose. So once you are connected, and you have to do a KYC for an account that doesn't have a KYC or anything. But this account already has a KYC. I'm going to try log into an account that doesn't have a KYC. For an account that doesn't have a KYC, and you can just start your KYC here, complete KYC. First, you have to activate the account to call the contract which pay the fee. So activate the account. I have to sign this transaction. Continue. Next, I have to upgrade my KYC level. You see, this is just a new account and the current KYC level is 0. So we have to upgrade to KYC level of 1 in order for you to interact with smart contracts. Those were the rules I actually set. So I have to sign the transaction. Okay, awesome. As soon as I sign the transaction, you notice my reputation score increased by a little bit. Okay, awesome. So what's the purpose of the whole of this? You can come do airdrops, you can mint NFTs for your batch. You can also do votes. I mean, you can set your vote requirements. You can set your airdrop requirements. The airdrop requirement is maybe people with particular KYC. Your vote requirement is people with particular KYC or people with a particular token can participate on the votes. So let's come with the NFTs. So you know what they look like. So these are the ranking of the NFTs. We have 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 5. So this is actually what it looks like. I'm actually working on allowing you to customize your NFT. So it's gonna be like a dynamic NFT. But all of this is actually happening on chain. Let me walk you through airdrop. This is what the airdrop section looks like. And you can come claim airdrop. The only way you're eligible to claim airdrop is if you have the proof for the Marco tree. No, import proof. Then you can claim the airdrops. You can also manage your airdrop tokens too. So let's go to create. Let's try create an airdrop token. I'm gonna go grab a random address. Okay, for this to work, you have to make sure that the token address you built, the connected wallet address is actually the owner. So connect account 5, and yeah. So what this does is gonna try fetch the token information. What this is going to do is it's going to try fetch the token information. So yeah, next you have to upload a CSV of your wallet address and the token amount. What this actually means is you have to upload the whitelisted wallet address, because I'm actually using Marco Pro for the airdrop. So let's do that. You can also decide if you want to download the templates of what it looks like. Yep, and it is just like this: wallet address and token amount. So I went ahead and uploaded the CSV, and I can just click on continue. Wallet address, token amount, submit, use market tree. This is what my market looks like, and we can click on next. If you want to require KYC verification, you can click on this. Require minimum token score, so let's put 100. I can just click on next. If you want to set deadline claim, you can do it here, but just click on next. Here is where you can do the preview, your token information, and do your confirmation. But we have to approve the token amount that we specify in here. If you were to check the CSV that you uploaded, the total token you wanted to give out, so that's what equivalent is. Next, and approve 22. Okay, approve. We have to make for the transaction to complete. Oh, awesome. Then create airdrop, sign the transaction. Successful. You just created your airdrop. So you can go to the explore page, or if you decide you want to manage your airdrop. But let's go to the transaction hash or explore airdrop. Okay, this is the token that we just created, and yeah, if you want to claim the airdrop, you can go ahead and claim it and click on claim, input market tree proof, and you can just claim the airdrop. Next is NFTs. Let's move to the NFTs section. So if you want to mint yourself an NFT, you can come here in order for you to have this badge of your KYC. But let's check customization. Mint first NFT, mint try NFT. Immediately you click on mint try NFT, you have to sign the transaction. So minted. Wow, awesome. Go to Okay, next we can move to my collection. And once you see on my collection, why is this disconnecting? You can view on my collection here your collections of your NFT that you just made it. You can also come around your profile page to check your profile with the graph network is going. You can see you just minted yourself an NFTs and here's a reputation score. So the next, let's move to vote. All this allows you to do is you can create vote and you can also come and participate as a vote participant. So here's what the votes looks like. You can come participate in vote and do awesome stuff. Let me walk you through creating a vote first. So you can come here, click on create vote. I've set up like templates you can use. So let's click community fund allocation. You feel free to edit this as much as you want. Oh, next. And let's set the KYC level to 1 and the trust level to 100. Create votes. Now you have to sign the transaction. Confirming votes. This could take a while. Yep, I think the vote is successful, so you can come back to vote. All votes. Okay, and here we have it. Should we allocate the community funds this quarter? And you can click on this and come vote. Let me know what you think if we should allocate the community fund of this quarter. So developer grants, marketing initiative, user rewards, ecosystem partners. I think developers are doing great job, so let's click on developer grants and we can submit our votes. So you do have to sign the transaction, of course. Waiting for a transaction to go on blockchain, and this could take a while. There we have it, a successful vote. Awesome. So come around here, come play with the Graphite also system. Let me know what you think. I'll be pushing a lot of stuff. So come around there, come play with the Graphite ecosystem. So my name is Blockchain Uncle. Stay decentralized, stay creative.